Himachal Pradesh High Court quashed 6 month illegal re-employment granted to Dr. Pradeep Kumar Sharma after superannuation from post of Director of Animal Husbandry by Chief Minister Sukhwinder Singh Sukhu on recommendation of Animal Husbandry Minister Chandra Kumar. It is more than settled that extension in service or re-employment is only to be made in exceptional circumstances, whereas instant case is one of the spoil system as the re-employment was made illegally. Merely because the recommendation has come from elected representative would not justify extension in the absence of satisfaction recorded. Observed division bench comprising Justice Tarlok Singh Chauhan and Justice Sushil Kukreja. Dr. Sharma superannuated from the post of Director of Animal Husbandry on 31st of December 2024 and was re-employed in same post through notification dated 2nd January 2025 in public interest. Therefore, once decision was already taken by Honorable Chief Minister who on earth, much less a lesser mortal, could have bypassed the order, obviously such a decision had to be justified at all costs. Respondent state admittedly did not all consider whether other eligible candidates were available in the department held division bench. Court underlined that this attitude of state tilts the balance of equality and administrative exigencies towards private or individual interest rather than public interest. Administrative orders of present kind must serve a greater public interest. The re-employment was challenged in the High Court by two joint directors of the department, Dr. Vishal Sharma, who superannuated on 31st January 2025, and Dr. Sanjeev Dhimman. While allowing both these petitions, Division Bench directed the state government to convene a fresh departmental promotion committee, underlining that since Dr. Sharma was illegally deprived, his case for consideration for promotion is required to be considered along with other eligible candidates in the fresh DPC. Division Bench also emphasized that state government did not bother to even follow the High Court's earlier directions in similar matter, wherein it was made clear that the procedure as contemplated in Chapter 22 of Handbook on Personal Matters is binding on state government and should be followed in letter and spirit. Court emphasized that after all, it is the state government itself, while incorporating Clause 22, has specifically mentioned it would be appreciated that in each case of extension or re-employment, it is not only next man who misses promotion, but also often several people miss consequential promotions all along the hierarchical strata. Thus, one person getting re-employment or extension means deferment of promotion for over 6 or 7 persons.